Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum guys. I'm Sarwat Rani Khan. Says welcome in K.Z Kitchen. How are you guys? Eat healthy and live healthy and keep watching my videos. And if you are new on my channel, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also press the bell icon so you could get the all notifications first. Such as you have seen, today we are going to make CHOORI ke laddu. We will make these CHOORI ke laddu with our leftover breads or chapatis or roti. Mostly in our houses, we keep some leftover rotis. So we think about how do we use these. Inshallah Ta'ala, after watching this video, you will be able to make and use these rotis in a fabulous way. For this, I have taken 6 to 7 leftover rotis and I am making their small pieces. If you want to eat CHOORI ke laddu or if you don't have leftover rotis, so there is no problem. You can use fresh rotis. And now here I am adding our pistachios and almonds in 1 teaspoon oil. Also I have added some mace flour and some green cardamoms, and I'm gonna roast these ingredients. Okay, keep stirring. Now I will get them separate. Now I will add a little bit oil more and I will add our dates, khajur and dry crystal apricots. If you don't have these crystal apricots, you can use your simple dry apricots. Or place of these two ingredients, if you have any other pulpy dry fruit, so you can use. Okay, you can see these are frying. I am frying these or roasting these on medium high flame. Now you can see its color. Let's get them separate also. Now I will dry roast our bread pieces. Like this, our breads would be little bit crispy or our pan would be also clean. Okay. Also on medium high flame, we will dry roast our bread pieces. You can see these are not too much small at this time because we have to grind all of these ingredients which we are frying or roasting. Okay, now it's also ready. Let's get it out. Okay, now here I have 1/4 cup cooking oil and I am gonna fry our edible gum, gond, mostly which we use in gond makhane and other confectionery items. Okay, let's get them fluffy. Okay, let's take it separate, and here are all ingredients are ready. Let's check our edible gum. It's mashallah ready. Okay, I am using a cooking oil. If you don't like, so you can use desi ghee or butter. Now it's time to grind all of our ingredients. First I will grind our rotis, and then I will grind my dry ingredients, and then I will dry my these two ingredients, such as you can see here, dates and dry apricots. Okay, all of these are ready. Let's start its final step. Okay, actually, today I am ill, uh, so please pardon me for this. Okay, now I have taken same oil in which I have fried our edible gum. I am adding 1 and 1/4 cup sugar granulated, and also I'm gonna add 1/4 cup water. Okay, now we will cook it on medium high flame. We have to melt all grains of sugar first, and then we will add our other ingredients in this sugar syrup. That would be uh, thick because we have to bind our choori ke laddoos. That's why. Okay, you can see it's bubbling and it's cooking fast. Okay, now it's probably ready. I am adding my dry ingredients first, and now I'm adding our dates and apricots. Now its texture would be totally changed because there is edible gum which we grind with our dry fruits, because it has a sticky structure, so that will thicken our sugar syrup. You can see, mashallah, it's looking very beautiful. Okay, I have slowed down the flame because now I'm gonna add little bit milk. Okay, now again that will change its structure. Keep stirring fast. Increase little bit flame. You can see, mashallah, it's bubbling again. It's mean that cooking procedure has been faster. Now it's time to add our breadcrumbs or choori. Mashallah, we have taken 6 to 7 rotis. After adding this breadcrumb, move it fast because now our bread is gonna soak all of its moisture. Okay, at this time our flame is not too much high because that is a initial stage of mixing of our choori ke laddoos, so there would be some doubts, so our sugar couldn't be burned, so that's why we keep its flame slow. Um and after few moments we increase the flame. Now you can see it has been changed its color totally. It's mean that it's ready to bind our choori ke laddoos. I have divided in sufficient amount, and we have to press these in our fingers and make our laddoos. Okay, we will make all of these in same size, so they could be look pretty. If some would be in a small size and some would be in big size, so those wouldn't be pretty in seeing. You can see how I am making our choori ke laddoos. You have to follow the same process. We don't have to cool completely the mixture of our laddoos, because after cooling complete, our laddoos won't be bind. Okay, you can see, mashallah, with perfection our laddoos have been bind. Mashallah, shiny and in a complete round shape. And these are too much fragranted and soft. Mashallah, you can see the structure. Mashallah, these are looking too much pretty, and these are very easy and useful because we have used our leftover roti or chapatis. So don't throw or discard your leftover chapatis. Use like this. Inshallah ta'ala, your family like this recipe and you will make this recipe daily. They will demand to you. So kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel and keep watching and keep supporting. Inshallah ta'ala, see you soon. Allah Hafiz.